Hello students. Now in this session I will start a new exercise, that is exercise 3.3 chapter playing with numbers. Today I will explain only question number 1 as we have 10 sums there. Fine. So what we have to do in question number 1? We have to find the SCF. Fine. So what is SCF? SCF is highest common factor. I know most of you know this. Okay, and what is the method that will apply? That is a prime factorization method. Now let's do sum number A. How exactly the prime factorization method, with the help of a prime factorization method, how will you find out the highest common factor? This is what we are going to learn today. Now we have only two numbers, 18 and 48. The first thing that we'll do is to find out the prime factorization of 18. So that is 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. 48. So 48 is divisible by 2 as because the last unit digit is what? Even number. So we'll divide it by 2. That is 24. Then 12. Isn't it? Then 6. Then 3. No. It will go with 2 only 3. And 3 1s are 3. Isn't it? So now what we have to do? We have to write all the factors, that is 2 into 3 into 3. Now what about 48? That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now first of all, before we get the value of SCF, you need to find out the common factor, because you see there is a common factor is there. So first of all we have to get the common factor, students. Now what are the common factors? This 2 is a common factor. See, it is present in both the numbers. Okay, so it's a common factor. Now another factor would be what? 3. See, 3 is also a common factor. So we have to write the common factor first. That is how to write common factors. That is, for these two numbers we will just write only one number. Then we'll put comma. And for this two number we will also write only one digit. That is 3. Fine. So once you know the common factor, now you can get the highest common factor. Now when you will get the highest common factor, whatever the common factor you have found, you will just multiply it. That is 2 into 3, that would be equals to 6. I believe it is very easy. Now let's move on to sum number B. Sum number B, we have 30 and 42. So again we'll do the prime factorization of number 30. So it will be 30 is divisible by 2. So 2 15s 30. 15 is no more divisible by 2. Then it is divisible by 3. Then 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5. Now 42. It is divisible by 2. So 21. Now it's not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 3. 3 7s are 7 1s. So now we will write all the factors. That is 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 5. What about 42? 42 also we have to write all the factors. 2 into 3 into 7. Now let's write the common factor, students. So common factor is what? 2. Yes, 2 and 3. I know you all of you're very smart kids. I know that you know the answer. So the first thing before the SCF, what we have to write? The common factor 2 and 3. Now let's get the SCF. So we just have to multiply all the common digits. That is 2 into 3 is 6. So again the answer is coming 6. Fine. So now let's move on to sum number C, students. Sum number C, we have 18 and 60. So again we will get the same thing. 18, it is divisible by 8 2. So 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Now let's do the prime factorization of number 60. So it is also divisible by 2. 2 30s are 2 15s are 3 5s are and 5 1s are. So now write all the factors of 18. That is 2 into 3 into 3 and 60. 2 into 2, 2 into 2, then 3 into 5. So what are the common factors? What are the common factors? The common factors are 3. As first of all we'll write 2, then 3. I believe these are the only two common factors. Now we'll write it down as 2 comma 3. So HCF is again 6, students. Again 6. That is 2 into 3. It is 6. Okay. So now let's do sum number D. Sum number D, we have 27 and 63. Okay, so we'll do the prime factorization of number 27. It is not divisible by 2. So we'll straight away start with 3. So 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Now 63 is also not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 3. So 3 21s are 3 7s are 7 1s are. So 27 is equals to 3 into 3 into 3, 63, 3 into 3 into 7. Okay, so what we have to find out first? We have to find out the common factor first. So what is a common factor? 3 and this 3 also. Fine, so what are the common factors? 2 3s. So now let's get the SCF. SCF would be 3 into 3, that is 9. So 9 will divide this 27 and 63 also. Fine. Now let's move on to sum number G now. Okay, E and F are very similar to the question that I have already done. Please try it by yourself. That is question number E and F. Now let's do sum number G. In sum number G, we have 3 numbers. Okay, we were doing with 2 numbers now. Now we'll learn how to find the HCF with 3 numbers. Very similar way we will do it. What is the first thing? We'll find out the prime factorization of each number first. So 70 would be what? 2 35s, 5 7s, 7 1s. Now 105. Again it is divisible by not with 2 but definitely with 3. 3 3s, 3 5s. Now 5 7s, 7 1s. 175 is also not divisible by 2. If it is divisible by 3, I don't think so, because 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. So we'll directly divide this number with 5. Okay, so 5 35s, 5 7s, 7 1s. Okay, so these are the prime factorization of all these numbers. Now let us write all the factors. That is 2 into 5 into 7. Then 105 would be what? 3 into 5 into 7. 175 would be 5 into 5 into 7. Now what is a common factor? What is a common factor? It's very easy. So common factor is what? Which is the digit which is common to all those numbers? It is 5. See, 5 is present in every prime factorization, and 7 is also present there. So these are 2 numbers which are common factors, that is 5 and 7. What is SCF then? SCF would be 5 into 7, that would be 35. So 35 is the required SCF of 70, 105 and 175. Fine, so let's move on to sum number H, students. Sum number H, that is H, we have again 3 numbers, 91, 112 and 49. So let's get the prime factorization of 91. Yes, most of the students think that 91 is a prime number, but it is not a prime number. Why? Because it is divisible by 7. 7 13s are 13 1s. So 112 is divisible by 2. Absolutely. So 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 28s are 2 14s are 2 7s are and 7 1s are. And 49 is what? 7 into 7 and 7 1s. So let's write all the factors. That is 7 into 13. Now 112, how many 2? 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4, and then we'll write 7, and then 49 is what? 7 into 7. Now what is a common factor? What is a common factor, students? I know you have all, you know the answer. That is 7 is a common factor. So 7 is a common factor. 7 is present in every number, isn't it? So we'll just write 7. So now what is the common factor? It is 7 only. Okay students, so rest of the two sums would be your homework. Fine. Thank you so much. God bless you all and stay blessed.